Hello students, I hope your exams were good. Now, before we begin with the next term, the next session, the next chapter, I want all of you to think about your surroundings. What do you see outside? We see so many things outside, right? This is what you must be thinking. So, when we talk about our surroundings, we see many objects, living, non-living objects. But when I'm talking about, so how we feel, the feelings when we talk about, it is definitely dependent upon the surroundings what we have. We use one term very often. Can you guess what it is? As you can see in the pictures, right in front of you, you can see the pictures, right? Yes. So, we can see so many different colorful pictures. One picture is little bit grayish color, sometimes it is cloudy, sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it is cloudy and sunny both. So what we call them? These are different seasons, and what this makes our weather. Before we begin with the lesson, let's enjoy a very beautiful song. Ready? Shall we start? Okay.
On a sunny day I'm happy. On a sunny day I smile. Flowers bloom in the sunlight. We play outside and we go and look for butterflies. On a rainy day I'm happy. On a rainy day I smile. Hills and trees look fresh and green, and I see rainbow-colored umbrellas in the streets. On a windy day I'm happy. On a windy day I smile. All the leaves shake and fly, and my kite is flying high in the sky. On a snowy day I'm happy. On a snowy day I smile. Snowflakes fall on my window. Frozen leaves shine like silver stars in a dream.
So, did you enjoy this song? Okay. So let's see what is there in the chapter weather, climate, adaptations of animals to the climate. We shall see in the chapter how do we define weather, what are the elements of weather, what is climate, what is the difference between a weather and a climate, and how do the animals they adapt to the climate. As we also do adaptations, in a similar way animals also do adaptation. This is what we are going to see in this chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to the climate. So let's start. As you can see on your screen, I have images of different weather. So here we have sunny, rainy, windy and cloudy. And what are these? These are called as weather. Let's try to understand how weather influences our lives in different ways. During summer, we switch on the fans to keep ourselves cool. We use light colored clothes in order to reflect the heat so as to keep ourselves cool. During winter, we use dark colored clothes and wrap ourselves in warm clothes to protect us from the cold environment. Similarly, during the rainy season, we use umbrella or raincoat as it may rain anytime. So what we are doing here is, by these means, we are doing the adaptation according to the weather. So it influences our lives in different ways. Whenever we go out, whenever we have to step out of our house, we have to be prepared according to the different weather. So our eating habits, our lifestyle, our day-to-day activities, all is influenced by our weather. So weather of a place changes day after day and week after week. So as we have seen the starting the picture of earth. So every place have the same kind of weather? No. So it means all the places will have different kinds of weather and this is influenced by the sun. As the earth is rotating about revolving around the sun, so because of this, there are different weather, there are different seasons which are caused. And because of this, we see weather. Therefore, our daily activities are planned according to the weather predicted for a particular day. And who gives this daily prediction? It is by the daily reports of the weather is provided on the television, radio, and even in the newspaper.